How to set Brave as your default browser. Hey there, Brave browser users. Ready to make Brave your default browser for a seamless browsing experience? Let's walk through how to set it as your default browser on your computers, and let's dive in. Navigate to the settings menu on your computer. You can usually find it by clicking on the start menu and selecting settings, or by searching for settings in the search bar. In the settings menu, look for the section labeled apps or apps and features, and then click on default apps within the section. Scroll down until you find the option labeled web browser, or choose default browser. Click on it to set your default browser. A list of installed browsers will appear, so find Brave in the list and click on it to set it as your default browser. After selecting Brave browser, you may need to confirm the changes, so click yes or OK to confirm that. To ensure that Brave is set as your default browser, try opening a web link from an email or document. It should automatically open in Brave. And congratulations, you've successfully set Brave as your default browser on your computer. Enjoy a seamless browsing experience with Brave as your go-to browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.